Greetings, everyone.
Hey, everyone.
I'm Jesse Hart.
I'm Catherine Hart.
And we are Full Circle Phenomenal, here to review some amazing Crispy Clowns product that they ship to us all the way across the world to Cape Town, South Africa.
Right now we are in Swakopmund, Namibia, so we've traveled all this way and we haven't yet revealed this.
We've taken our time over these past few weeks to practice. We drove north to the next country. We're performing here, and we're debuting these babies tomorrow at our Full Circle Phenomenal in Africa fire show.
So we're really excited to be opening this up and representing a company from our hometown. Jesse and I were both born in Portland, and Oregon is where this whole drive around the whole world journey started.
Thank you, Crispy Clowns, and everyone involved in getting it to us. It was definitely a challenge. We were able to receive it, though. No harm to anything, and wow, it is super worth it. So
here we go.
These are the 3 1/4 inch monkey fist fire poi.
Massive. These are bigger than any of the other poi that we've used this far.
I can't wait to light them up. They're attached to a stainless steel twist link chain. And this is really nice too, because I've worked with a lot of different tethers before, fire spinning tethers, chains in particular. And these are by far the best because they're just small enough to be light and out of the way, but just big enough that you know they're not going to get damaged or destroyed. I really, really like these. They are attached to a stainless steel deep sea swivel, the nicest swivel, as you'll see here, I've ever worked with.
This is what I'm most excited about because it has taken me years to master the orbital trick and let alone do it on fire. But with these and through the practice that we've had over the past few weeks, I can get it every time. So I am beyond confident that I'm going to be able to do orbitals with my fire shows. Oh my gosh, that's what I'm really looking forward to.
We're incorporating doubles orbitals into our coming choreographies, as well as working on the partner poi orbital now.
Partner orbital, where him and I both do it together.
Yeah. And I was even dreaming, is it possible to do 2 partner orbitals at the same time?
I'm sure, but that's crazy. We can figure it out.
Attached to the deep sea stainless steel swivel is some Technora, which is wonderfully connected to the Silicone Stubbies. Very nice to hold, very nice to grip below the stub grip, whereas a lot of our other props, you'd have to end up, if you wanted to shorten the chain, grab the chain, or if you wanted to shorten the tether, grab the chain.
Though I'm sure we still can if we want to take an even shorter grip for like a buzzsaw trick.
Yeah. We got 22 inch, which is perfect for us, both Catherine and I, even though her arm's a little bit longer than mine.
Yeah, it should be perfect for me. That's okay.
And they're just incredibly comfortable. And I really can't say anything negative about them.
I can't wait to burn them. And they just are so beautiful unburned right now. We've been really enjoying practicing with them without having to put on protective gear, but these will definitely be some that we put covers on because we love them so much. It's just such a sleek design with the chain and then such a massive poi head.
I really want to practice with these all the time and maybe even put, some sort of silicone or maybe just a balloon around these and just keep practicing even my contact poi work with these, which I have done, but they're unburned right now. We'll have to do some sort of covering once they're burnt.
One more thing to note, inside of the silicone stubbies, it looks like there's a form of resin that's holding it all together, and this is something that I've never seen a poi brand do. I've seen a lot of people just tie the ends inside of the silicone, and that makes it like easy to take apart, but these look like they're gonna last, so I'm just really stoked about it. Thank you, Crispy Clowns.
The only thing I can foresee or possibly critique on is we've got a big eye hook or sticking out here. I'm just gonna have to be aware of that when it gets really hot. And I notice I can't take off this wick. So sometimes there's an attachment piece or one of those little screw on, screw off connector pieces, making it easily to switch wicks. These aren't capable of doing that. Not that they're going to need to.
Though it looks like you might be able to unscrew these eye hooks if you really wanted to, but it doesn't look like they're made to. Doesn't look like they're made to do that.
Yeah, and we probably won't so much.
Yeah, don't take it apart.
No. But thank you guys so much. I want to show you really quickly the ease to hitting an orbital and how long the orbital lasts. That wasn't the best. Let's both do one.
Yeah.
3 1,000, 4 1,000. Let's put the timer up.
Oh my god, I'm so excited about this. It is so pleasing to be able to do an orbital like this. I've never been able to nail an orbital, even with your practice poi that have swivels. There's just something about the weight and the tether, and it just hooks. Like if you're struggling with the orbital, get these poi. That'll help you so much.
It's a little challenging to do things like hyperloops because these swivels are so clean, are
They
so
won't hook.
smooth. The speed, it's very easy to pick up speed when engaging. And I've been practicing, right? It's all just a little bit of extra practice and muscle memory. So we're getting it.
Yeah. All right, stay tuned for the first burn of these babies and the post-product review for after our first burn.
And enjoy the music video soon coming as well. Get your own pair at crispyclownsprops.com or ejugglingstore.com.
And you can find out more about our journey driving around the world, see where we're at as we're going around the whole planet. Right now we're focusing on Africa, then the Middle East, Europe, and Asia, and then back to the United States.
Yeah.
And feel free to reach out for any performances or classes online.
See you around the world.